just think that.
Спрете за момент и го направете по този начин.
When it goes past the arm, then you pull it back. Okay? Also remember when we block, pull back, strike the eye.
Прибирате назад хиките и тогава в очите.
Yeah.
Микомоките.
And then in the kata, we come in for Jordan, okay? This time it's a strike, it's not a block.
Така, и затова учи Чодомуки, мислете като за удар, а не за блок. Удар в главата.
Imagine we attack his eyes and he pulls back his head back.
Дърпа си главата.
And then we got the time
И
coming
тук е отворено.
in here.
Поли да ви кажа.
So that you want this.
I'm okay. You translate.
He quit. You see, finished.
Finish.
But the eyes is to make them just do this. Then we got a big target. And just as we do, we just roll it in. Got that? Of course, it's still like in basic technique. We're still doing it above the head. But
Отново е над главата.
sorry.
Отново е над главата се прави.
But in reality, it depends on the person that you're
Но
attacking.
също зависи от този, който е срещу вас.
Generally, it would still be high. Generally, it'd still be high because no, I don't. Because normally a smaller person does not attack a bigger person.
Нормално по-малкият човек не атакува по-голям човек.
So it will still be a case of going bottom and going upwards.
Пак ще е нагоре.
Maybe sometimes Tanya's a bit vicious. Maybe she attacks.
Таня може би ще удари, тя е злобна и ще атакува някой по-голям от нея.
And then you got to go like that.
И ще трябва да го удари отгоре надолу.
Okay? Everyone understand? Okay, I'll begin. Come on in.